Oh yeah, we got a lawnmower here. It's a 16.5 horse overhead valve. Here, come here close up on this engine here. High quality right here. I don't even know what kind of engine it is.
Mention the Haneke.
But we're gonna do a tug of war between one person, and then if there's not enough power, we're gonna add more and more people. But there goes our towing strings. I guess that can only hold one person. We're gonna use a Honda key from a motorcycle. We're gonna have a little tug of war here. Start your engines. Let's get our tug of war rope ready. Oh, you can stop it for a second.
Watch out, Kyle.
Closer so we can get you all in the shot. Come up here.
Well, this way we have more leverage.
Not really. Ready? Yeah. Go. On this tug of war against the 16.5. Here we go. Wait a minute. We started burning rubber. That was a good tug of war. I think we need like 5 people.